Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the necessary permissions. Without edit rights, you cannot change photo or name. Next, open the app dashboard or settings page where app metadata lives. Once there, navigate directly to Profile, Branding, App Details, or a similarly labeled section. You do this now so the editable fields are visible and the correct image upload and text boxes are ready. Make sure your replacement image meets the platform size and format requirements before proceeding. You should click Change or Upload for the app icon and select the file. Platforms usually accept PNG or JPG and enforce pixel and file size limits. Then move to the Display Name field and type the new name, keeping it concise and within character rules. Once you enter both, use the Preview or Staging view to inspect icon alignment and legibility at small sizes and standard ratios. If everything looks right, save the draft or apply changes so the system records your edits. After verifying the preview, hit Save and then Publish or Submit for review if the platform requires approval. This makes the change public. Once done, clear local cache or wait propagation time. Updates can take minutes to hours to appear globally. If the update is rejected or the image fails, read the error message, confirm file type, dimensions, and name policy, then correct and resubmit. If problems persist, revert to the previous asset and contact support with screenshots and error text.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.